Can you believe it? Weak legs after 60 aren't just a normal sign of aging. They're your body's way of crying out for help. Imagine this. One morning, you stand up from your chair to head out the door, but suddenly, your legs start trembling, no longer as steady as they used to be. That moment can leave you shaken, asking yourself, what's happening to me? Geriatric doctors see this all the time. People who live healthily, eat carefully, still find their legs losing strength out of nowhere. The scary part? If ignored, that weakness can trigger a chain of problems, from struggling to climb stairs, to falling more easily, and even losing independence. Why does this happen? After 60, the body enters a silent phase of change. Muscle mass shrinks, blood vessels lose circulation, nerves get damaged, and even tiny minerals like magnesium and potassium can decide whether you walk steady or stumble. Many of these changes creep in overnight when blood pressure drops or blood thickens, leaving you to wake up with heavy, unsteady legs. But this is not the end of the story. The good news is you can absolutely protect your leg strength with simple steps, starting today. So, what are the 4 biggest culprits that make your legs weaker after 60? And what can you do to keep them strong before it's too late? Let's uncover them in the next section. Have you ever looked down at your legs and noticed your thighs and calves aren't as firm as they used to be? That's a sign of sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. This process actually starts early, as soon as your 30s, but after 60, the speed of muscle loss accelerates to a worrisome level. If nothing is done, by the age of 80, you could lose nearly 1/3 of your total muscle mass. Muscles aren't just for standing up, walking, or climbing stairs. They're your silent protectors, keeping you balanced, preventing falls, and helping you maintain independence. As muscle gradually shrinks, even simple tasks like rising from a chair, carrying groceries, or walking a few hundred feet can feel overwhelming. That's why many people after 60 often complain of heavy legs, quick fatigue, or losing strength after just a short walk. The good news is, sarcopenia is not an unchangeable fate. Your body still has the ability to rebuild muscle if you give it the chance. The secret lies in combining movement with proper nutrition. You don't need a gym or heavy weights. Simple moves like chair squats, leg lifts, or resistance band exercises are enough to stimulate muscle growth. Just 10 to 15 minutes of daily exercise can wake up your muscles and help preserve their strength. On top of that, a protein-rich diet is the essential fuel for this process. Eggs, fish, lean meats, dairy, beans, and nuts are all excellent choices. Remember to spread your protein intake across meals instead of loading it all in one sitting. This way, your body absorbs it more effectively. Of course, everyone's health condition is different. If you have kidney disease or follow a special diet, consult your doctor before increasing your protein intake. The bottom line is clear. Strong muscles mean steady legs. Every minute you invest in your legs today is an investment in your freedom and independence for the years ahead. Have you ever felt your legs icy cold even while sitting in a warm room? Or maybe while walking, your calves suddenly cramp up, forcing you to stop and rest? These aren't just signs of getting older. They could be symptoms of peripheral artery disease, PAD, a condition where narrowed arteries prevent blood from flowing normally down to the legs. Think of your blood vessels as highways carrying nutrients and oxygen to fuel your muscles. When those highways get traffic jams caused by cholesterol buildup, blood flow drops dramatically. As a result, Your legs don't get enough energy, they feel heavy, cold, numb, and tire quickly. In more advanced stages, even small cuts may heal poorly, raising the risk of ulcers, infections, and even serious complications. The danger goes beyond your legs. PAD is an early red flag that your heart and brain may be at risk too. People with poor circulation in their legs often face a much higher chance of heart attacks and strokes. In other words, that tingling or numbness in your legs may actually be your body warning you to protect your entire cardiovascular system. So, what can you do to improve circulation? The good news is that movement is the cheapest and most powerful medicine. Simply maintaining a daily walking habit, even indoors, helps train blood vessels to stay flexible and open. Drinking enough water keeps blood from becoming too thick, while cutting down on salt helps reduce swelling, leaving your legs feeling lighter. Warm foot baths, gentle massage, or elevating your legs when resting can also boost circulation. Of course, if you experience persistent calf pain, numbness, or slow-healing wounds, don't ignore them. See your doctor for an evaluation and early treatment, because untreated PAD can become a hidden storm for your whole body. The takeaway is simple. Blood flow is the life force of your legs. Every step you take today not only nourishes your muscles, but also protects your heart and brain. Have you ever felt like your feet were walking on a soft sponge, lacking stability? Or maybe you've experienced tingling, numbness, burning, or sharp pinprick sensations. These may be signs of peripheral neuropathy, a condition nearly 1/3 of older adults face. Your nervous system works like hidden electrical wires, directing every step and movement. When those wires are damaged, the signals traveling to your muscles become distorted. The result? Your legs stop cooperating, your footing feels uncertain, and you're more likely to stumble even on flat ground. For people with diabetes, this is even more common, since high blood sugars over time erodes the protective coating around nerves. But diabetes isn't the only culprit. A lack of vitamin B12, a key nutrient for nerve health, can also weaken your legs. Without enough B12, nerve fibers gradually lose their protective armor, leading to tingling, numbness, and even loss of balance. If left unchecked, this can result in sudden falls, sometimes causing serious injuries. So how can you protect these vital nerves? First, if you have diabetes, keep your blood sugar under control. Second, make sure you're getting enough B12 through nutrient-rich foods like eggs, dairy, fish, and leafy greens. And don't forget, excessive alcohol is a silent enemy, damaging nerves faster than you might think. Simple daily habits can help too. Gentle foot and calf massages boost circulation, ease numbness, and improve nerve signaling. And if burning, tingling, or numbness persists, don't just endure it. See your doctor for an evaluation, because the earlier neuropathy is caught, the better your chances of protecting nerve function. The bottom line is this: healthy nerves are the foundation of steady steps. Keep your body's wiring running smoothly, and your legs will continue carrying you through life's journeys with confidence. Have you ever felt a sharp pain starting in your lower back and shooting down your leg, making it hard to walk? Sometimes just bending to pick something up or sitting too long in a chair leaves your legs feeling powerless, suddenly weak. These are often signs of lumbar spine issues, such as herniated discs or spinal stenosis conditions that become very common after age 60. Think of your spine as the control center, where nerves pass through to connect your brain with your legs. When a disc slips out of place or part of the spine degenerates, it can press against those nerves. The result? Sharp pain, numbness, or one leg feeling weaker than the other. Some people even describe it as an electric shock running from their back down to their foot, stopping them in their tracks. The danger is that, if ignored, long-term nerve compression doesn't just cause pain. It can lead to muscle wasting, loss of motor control, and sudden unexpected falls. What many dismiss as normal back pain from aging may actually be an early warning sign of a spinal disorder. So what's the solution? The good news is, small daily habits can make a big difference. Start by avoiding sitting for more than 30 minutes at a time, especially on hard chairs. If you must sit longer, use a lumbar cushion to maintain your spine's natural curve. Gentle stretches like pulling your knees to your chest while lying down, or seated spinal twists can also relieve pressure on nerves. Equally important is maintaining proper posture. When standing, keep your back straight. When lifting, bend your knees instead of your back. And if pain or numbness persists, don't hesitate to see a doctor for imaging tests. Catching spinal problems early can prevent serious complications. The bottom line? A healthy spine means strong legs. Protecting your back today is the key to keeping your steps steady for many years to come. After everything, there's one thing you need to remember. Weak legs after 60 are not just a matter of normal aging. They're a warning sign that something is wrong inside your body. We've just walked through 5 silent culprits: muscle loss, poor circulation, nerve damage, spinal compression, and even the deficiency of small minerals like magnesium and potassium. Each one can make walking harder, and when combined, they can turn your legs, the foundation of freedom, into a burden in daily life. But here's the good news. You can start changing that today. Begin with the smallest steps. Take a short walk every day. Add a banana or a glass of protein-rich milk to your meals, or stretch your back after long periods of sitting. These aren't big or complicated tasks, just simple habits powerful enough to keep your legs strong for years to come. Think about it. Your legs are the very means that carry you to your grandchildren, your friends, those walks in the park, or the trips you've been dreaming of. Strong legs don't just bring convenience, they give you independence and the joy of living. And every action you take today, no matter how small, is an investment to protect that priceless gift. So don't wait until your body speaks up with painful cramps or dangerous falls. Start today. Walk, eat well, keep your back straight, protect your nerves, and replenish your minerals. Your legs deserve care because they don't just carry you forward, they carry the quality of your life. If you found this information helpful, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video so more seniors can learn how to protect their legs. And don't forget to comment below. Out of these 4 main causes, which one surprised you the most?